Alright, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. You know what Sunday means, shave video. And have I got something, well, I don't know if you'll like it because you can't smell it, but it's something I very much enjoyed today. So, you've already seen it live if you joined the live shave the other night. That is Mood Indigo from House of Mammoth. Oh, it smells so good. Oh God. Black pepper, blueberry, rum, oud, and it's got one other thing in it. I keep forgetting to go look. Maybe I'll remember to put it in the description. I don't know. It's freaking fire. This base, it's like a whipped beard butter kind of, but it makes a incredibly dense lather, or it did for me anyway. You know what, we'll just put that on the head instead of waste it there. So again, I've already used this once. I loved it. That scent is so good. It is kind of light, maybe needs a little bit more blueberry in it, but it's really nice. Brush, Razor Rock 400. Razor, new razor actually. The Mule R101. I got this on sale at the Razor Company. Same ball as always, Captain's Choice. And that will be about it, other than the water on our head, but we got to build a lather first. Wish I had the splash for this soap. I didn't pick it up. I wasn't sure, you know, what I'd think about it. Maybe I don't like it, this and that. And I didn't grab it, so I'll probably be going back to do so. When I shaved with it the other night, it took me 10 minutes to get a lather built, maybe even longer, for having to add more water over and over and over and over. I like most everything about this brush. It's got the long handle on it. Don't get my hands all nasty. But when they set the knot in it, they got their epoxy way too high. So sometimes I have a little trouble with it. I'm telling you, it makes a nice dense lather. And again, the soap is like whipped almost. Look at that though. Very nice lather. Probably still needs a little water, to be honest with you. Oh heck. Pro tip, remove the glasses. If any of you watch the channel, you notice I got new glasses on right now. Some of you might notice. I can see better. Little pre-shave, just because we always do. Again, I really don't think I need it, but I always do it, so we'll just keep the tradition alive. I could actually use a little more water. Give it just a little bit there. Plus what we got on the head. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was almost bad. That would have been everywhere. I tend to do that sometimes. Make a mess here and there. The wife loves it. Okay, so here's the thing. I lined my cheeks up with the Mule the other day and that was it. So It's got some pre-shave oil still on it. I thought I cleaned that thing. Anyway, it's got a muley blade in it. I think it's a stainless. I'm not 100% sure about that though. So we will get underway here. Okay. Yeah, I didn't feel bad. This was on sale. I'm being really careful because I tore my head up the other day. Wasn't this razor, but mindful of how much we are pushing down. The razor I cut myself with had a lot of blade exposure. This one does not so much. That was much better. The only gripe I have about this is that it's really slick. There's no knurling. There's really no grip. I mean, I say that. I mean, you can hold on to it. It's not a big deal. But if I could change one thing about it, it would be that. But it's a really nice looking razor. But I'm assuming there might be like a new model or something out. These were on sale for $27. They're normally like $45 or $50. I'll tell you what, I'm not sure if I'm crazy about that blade. I'm gonna pause for a second and I'm gonna change the blade. We're gonna go with something what I think might be a little sharper. Alright, so we just went with a Gillette 7 o'clock green. I think I found the problem. I don't think it was the blade. There was some hair and some built up pre-shave oil from lining my cheeks up the other day. So that might have been, whatever it was, it worked. That feels much, much better. I almost feel like I need a little bit of water on my head. I feel like my bladder's sticking. Oh, much better. I think I needed a lot of water with that lather. I did not stick very much soap in my bowl either. You know, the Captain's Choice bowl has a little circle in the middle of it. I usually fill that circle up with a pretty thin layer and then I spread it out. Just kind of mush it around everywhere. A pretty good amount of blade feel there on the back of my neck there. You know, in the beard community, we talk about beard feel. Well, in the shave community, blade feel is talked about. Obviously, they're two totally different things, but at the same time, they're kind of the same. You know, they're kind of held in high regard. You know, I'm going to tell you what. There's a lot of stubble left. I mean, it's not horrible. There's a lot of hair in the sink, so it's cutting, but you know what? It needs a lot of water. That's all there is to it. When I say it needs a lot of water, it needs a lot of water. I just put a lot of water in it, and it's still not enough. Still not enough. That's a thirsty ass soap. I did not put that much soap in that bottom of that. I will go for less next time because I've got a bunch of lather here. And this is a synthetic brush. I mean, it ain't nothing to do with the brush or... I mean, that's after already lathering the head up once. And I've still got a bowl full. Now we're starting to get where we want. There we go. Now this, I swear it felt like that razor was sticking to my head. It was not a comfortable feeling. That might have been my fault. With the soap, I might have not put enough water. I don't normally like going for 2 passes on the head with DEs. It usually causes some pretty nice irritation. So we will see. Maybe that soap was so thick it protected against some irritation. I don't know, I was almost having trouble pulling that razor across my skin. That feels a lot better. Feels a lot slicker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that just glides across. That was totally my fault. Not a fault of the soap, not a fault of the razor. I guess it's kind of the soap's fault. It's a freaking thirsty soap right there. I put a bunch of water to that thing since we've started. Oh yeah, much better. Oh God, that's so much better. It was like it was so thick, it was just, uh-oh, I got a little nick there. That might be some irritation, honestly. I can almost feel irritation back here. But that glides a lot better. That was a rookie mistake right there is what that was. I'm not getting a ton of residual slickness from the House of Mammoth, but again, I have kind of screwed this shave up from the get-go. I will say this, I'm not getting much residual slickness now. Maybe if I hit it with some water, maybe I would gain, you know, quite a bit. But that's okay because it's nice and slick now that I got enough water. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but there was sure enough a lot of hair left right there. That's much better. It's almost like that soap eats up water really quickly. Oh yeah, that one's pretty nasty right there. That's a pretty nasty one right there. Definitely gonna have a little irritation. I can already feel it. Other than that, really nice smooth shave. I am gonna have a little irritation. That one's totally on me. I did not put enough water in that. Yeah, I can almost feel the irritation. So not bad, but yeah, it's there. You can feel it. You can definitely feel it, but I tell you what. Oh God, it smells so good. I'm telling you, I could still put some more water to that. Oh, that black pepper and the blueberry comes through. Oh, geez. Very nice. Very nice. I say that, yeah. It'd probably take a little bit of water, not much. Oh, so good. If it wasn't so harsh, I'd wash my beard with it. Golly, I didn't even stop the bleeding over there. But anyway, guys, that is House of Mammoth, Mood Indigo, and the Muley R101. That's it. It was a good shave other than my error. So I appreciate everybody for joining, and we will see you right back here next Sunday. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. If you're new here and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and remember to follow me across all social medias.